Hello friends, welcome to my Teen Beauty channel. So today I am going to show you a new video about what I purchased from Trell. So let's start without wasting time. So the first thing I found in this box was a liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty. It cost me around 229 rupees. Then I found something from Lotus Herbals. It's a sunscreen with SPF 40. It cost me around 425 rupees and one face scrub for 95 rupees. Then my favorite product in this box was a blusher and highlighter palette from Swiss Beauty. It cost me around 349 rupees. Open. Let's change the background, so you can see the product much closer. This is the eyebrow pencil from Lakme. It cost me only 75 rupees. I love it. Then I got foundation from Maybelline. After I opened then I was realized it has a pump system. By the way, it cost me around 750 rupees for 30 milliliters. I love it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you on the next video.